What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Abigail and I'm currently 23 years old po.
Abigail, this is her second time here.
Yes.
And she remembers it was 2 years ago when we first interviewed her. Anyway, Abigail, here is the very first question. Which nationality is an immediate red flag for you when you see them on a dating app?
Um, I will getting called out by this, but it's USA, America. I don't know, but usually most of them, I really cannot explain why, but it feels like it. Na red flag siya for me.
Why?
I
Why do you have that kind of feeling that they're red flag? Like, was there any like incident happen like before?
some in YouTube, but some most of the time in how I feel in their pictures and how they bring to themselves from my perspective on how am I go to say this, how they usually show themselves in social media or and again in dating apps po.
Like how?
Some of them feels intimidating and some of them feels, I don't know, kind of condescending.
Which country has the most handsome men according to your friends? Not the internet, but your actual friend group.
Ah, usually two. One is in Europe, mostly at Italy, and second is wait, I'm going to recall this one in Latin America, in somewhere Mexico, and somewhere in basta Latin po, Latin American.
Okay, that's according to your friend. How about you?
I really do find Italian very attractive, and in Spain, I do find them attractive as well po.
Spain.
Yes po.
Which countries passport bros are the most annoying to deal with?
Americans. Americans for them. Aside from they look condescending. Some of them do not have manners. Like when how am I supposed to explain this? They don't adjust to the foreign culture properly. From what I observed 4 years ago in and also last year when I was in Mandaluyong, that's somehow how I observe some of Americans in Mandaluyong po. I really do find them condescending and mannerless po. It's just in my experience. I'm not generalizing. That's how I see them from that time. But I'm still looking for from some Americans who are kind and po, good to be with po.
But at least she's honest, right? Oh, yes. Okay. Now, which country's men seem to think that their money makes them better than Filipinos?
Mm. How am I supposed to deal with this? I'm not sure if Americans are in UAE, but yeah, though there's some people who literally told me that in UAE, especially in Dubai, since Dubai is a very rich country, has rich citizens pa. And USA, not that much, but I only hear them through rumors lang po.
If you were walking along at night, which country's men would you trust the most to step in and protect you?
I haven't tried any foreigners yet here in Naga City as of now. Is Malaysian men can do? I'm not and Singaporean men can do. Or any
Why Singaporean men?
from my experience in Singapore, they're kind naman po. And so they do mind their own business po. And whenever in my experience po in Singapore last 2018, when po kasi to, in experience on my sister's end po, when she left her valuable items back there, and 5 minutes ago, in matter of duration of 5 minutes, there's not any single touch that has and then that has moved on my sister's back po. And that's why I really do trust Singaporeans.
So you do travel.
When I was in high school, my family do have family vacations, but now that I'm in college, not that much po.
Okay. If you are looking for a serious husband, not a boyfriend, which nationality is at the top of your list for being loyal?
Um, Spain? Spain. Australians can do. They're adventurous and fun to be with. Spanish, I really love their cuisine. And this that also goes the same to Italy. I really do love European dishes.
You're 23 years old, turning 24 this year, right?
Yes po, this July po.
Are you single or do you have a partner? Like, do you have a boyfriend?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
Ah, hmm, 7, that was, yeah, 2019 I was in having talking stage, and last year, though he was just a friend at that time, and we do have some people cause some people sees us having a chemistry, but I still decided to step back for now because I'm really not sure if he really feels the same way.
So no official like you're like you had boyfriend.
Yeah, some people labeled us as situationship.
So it's like no boyfriend since birth.
Not boyfriend. It's not like that, but I do have boyfriend naman po nung 7.
Oh, grade 7. That's a long time ago because she's in college. So what are you studying again, Ben?
Business management in Ateneo de Naga University po.
Ateneo is a really great school. Okay, so she has a sister actually, but she's talking to someone. She's they look twins. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Bianca and I'm 19.
Bianca, which nationality is an immediate red flag for you when you see them on a dating app?
Oh, dating app. I think Filipinos. Because I don't really like the way how Filipino men thinks. Especially on social media, you can see that you can see how they actually think because they're very open on social media, and some of them, mostly, I have seen that they like to degrade women.
Very interesting. Okay. Actually, I'm not expecting that, the first one, Filipino. But thank you for being honest. Okay, second, Be, which country has the most handsome men according to your friends? Not the internet, but your actual friend group.
On my friend group, most of them are currently talking to Americans. Um, they met them on dating apps too, and yeah, based on them, they like American men.
Handsome for them, American men.
Yes.
Which country has the most handsome for you?
Mm, for me, I like men who um I don't basically have like an ethnicity for my type, but I find men with a mustache attractive. Yeah.
Okay. So any country as long as he has mustache.
Yes.
Okay. There are many passport bros coming here now. Which country's passport bros are the most annoying to deal with?
American men, sorry. Because I see them on social media about that issue where American men go to the Philippines for retirement and find Filipina women to take care of them. I mean, it's okay as long as they love them, but mostly they find Filipina women to just basically take care of them. And that's it.
Okay. Which country's men seem to think that their money makes them better than Filipinos?
um American men again, because I mean it really is true, because American dollar versus Filipino peso is very different, and when you go here to Philippines from America, it really is good for American men. Yeah.
If you were walking along at night, which country's men would you trust the most to step in and protect you?
I think Filipino men, yeah, because here in the Philippines we have like tambays. Most of them, when there's like chaos outside, they step in and not just like look. Yeah,
Like they tend to help when they see someone need some.
yes. When they see someone in trouble, they tend to help them.
If you are looking for a serious husband, not a boyfriend, which nationality is at the top of your list for being loyal?
Loyal. Well, I haven't experienced other nationalities in terms of dating.
19 years old, in college or what?
I'm just graduated senior high and is a freshman in college.
So you're gonna be in college this year, this school year. Okay, what are you taking?
I'm gonna take accountancy.
Your English is good. Like, yeah, it's good. But anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.